Collective nouns in context. Mastering agreement in English grammar. Hello, English learners. Today, we'll dive into the world of collective nouns and more specifically, how to understand the context in which they're used. This is a key element of English grammar and is crucial in maintaining the correct agreement between a collective noun and the verb or pronoun it is associated with. Collective nouns refer to a group or collection of people, animals, or things taken as a whole. Examples include words like team, family, crowd, jury, and government. In English, collective nouns can be followed by either singular or plural verbs and pronouns, depending on the context. Here's the tricky part. When the collective noun is acting as a single unit, we use a singular verb or pronoun. However, when the members of the group are acting individually, a plural verb or pronoun is used. For example, the jury has reached its verdict. The jury is acting as one unit. The jury are arguing amongst themselves. The members of the jury are acting individually. To figure out whether to use a singular or plural verb or pronoun, you need to understand the context in which the collective noun is used. If the collective noun is doing something as a whole unit, use a singular verb or pronoun. For example, the team has won its game. If the members of the group are doing something individually, use a plural verb or pronoun. For example, the team are celebrating their individual scores. Remember, it's the action in the sentence that helps you determine whether the collective noun is functioning as a singular or plural entity. Let's put this knowledge into practice with a few examples. 1. The band is on tour. The band is acting as one unit, hence the singular verb, is. 2. The band are signing their autographs. The members of the band are acting individually, hence the plural verb, are. Always remember to look at the action the collective noun is associated with in order to decide if it's singular or plural. Understanding the context of collective nouns is crucial in mastering agreement in English grammar. It might seem a bit challenging at first, but with practice, it will become second nature. Remember, it's all about the action that determines if the collective noun is seen as a single entity or as individual members. We hope you found this lesson helpful. Keep practicing, and you'll be an expert in no time.